In this video, you will learn how to void a credit note on Blixo in just a few easy steps. Please remember that you can only void a draft and open credit note. You are not allowed to void a paid or closed credit note. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Credit Notes section. Next, go to the Draft or Open tab and click on the credit note ID of the credit note that you want to void. This will take you to the Credit Note Details page. Next, click the More button and choose Void Credit Note. A confirmation box will appear. To cancel the process, choose Cancel or close the confirmation box. To void the credit note, click on the OK button. Let's check it out. Success! The status has changed from open to voided. Congratulations. You've successfully voided a specific credit note in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.